What's good with y'all boys? It's Agent Uno, man. We got an IRL video today. I used to be behind the gaming screen, but now I'm out here in the real world. If you look at my channel from maybe a couple months ago, you'll notice that I had a Dodge Charger V6, and I was gonna start doing content on that. But I'm like, bro, I gotta join the Hemi world, bro. I gotta join the V8 gang. You feel me? I gotta get right. That's the only way the content gonna start booming, you feel me? Because I want to get in with the V8 game. So look, man, I just woke up one morning and was like, let's go get a whip, bro. Let's go upgrade the whip, bro. So that's basically what I did. Upgraded the whip. Now I'm about to show y'all what I bought. Now look, she a little dirty. I work at a construction place. So she's slightly dirty. And I got it Tuesday and today's Saturday, and I haven't washed it yet because I worked. I'm sorry for the delay on the NCAA upload. The only reason why that's delayed because I was working and I was trying to, you know, get something else. I was working on this project right here. So I'm about to just show y'all. So Boomski, this the big 5.7 Hemi 23 RT. You know, look, she a little dirty, bro. She a little dirty. We're gonna take her to the car wash today. And I got a lot of mods that I want to do to it. I covered up my license plate before I start recording. Big RT badge. I got a couple mods I want to do to it. Is she pretty fresh for real? Got the 345 right there. Tray 45. Got some nice 20s on that thing. Ooh, I want to paint my brake calipers. And y'all wondering, like, you're supposed to take the front splitter guards. It said at the dealership you're supposed to take them off. I understand. And for you to say it say to be removed, I don't know if you can see that because it's pretty bright. To be removed by dealer. So the only reason why I didn't take them off yet is because that's going to be part of my mod. I'm going to get a front splitter. I think I'm going to do like a carbon matte black or something to kind of match the grill and the I'm not sure, but I'm gonna get the side markers ghost. I'm gonna get like a ghost black, get the rear markers ghost black. That don't like that for real. I ain't even gonna bat. So y'all know I gotta get the I don't even think that's a cold start. Let me just crank up. That joint's so clean. I got it with like 24,000 miles on it. I said 24,000 miles. I'm dumb. I got it with 24 miles on it. So I wanted to wait until I kind of break in the engine a little bit before I start, you know, making videos, so I don't gotta keep driving so casually. So I think I'm up to like 360, 380, almost to 400 with the miles now. So that thing sounds so good. Like, yeah, I'm gonna put a front splitter on there. I might put a stripe on it, but I don't want to for real. But because I think like the Daytonas had the stripes and stuff, and I don't really want to be in the Daytona. But let's go ahead and get in this thing. Ooh, I got some interior mods I'm gonna do too. So you know, I got some interior mods I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get right. Let's go ahead and get it here. Ooh, I got some interior mods I'm gonna do. Let me push the button. Oh yeah, 340. I don't know why I thought it was 360. Let me try to, yeah, 340. I don't know what that is on my side mirror, but ooh, that thing sounds so good. Like, ooh, and then I like it because it got the performance pages. If it load, it got the performance pages. It got the sport, the super track pack. Like, that junk so fire. It got all this, got the engine. Like, it got I can put her in sport mode. Boom. I can set the sport mode up. But the thing is, I gotta get the I gotta get like a special piece or something to unlock the track mode. So I'm probably gonna do that too as a mod. And she sound crazy in sport mode though. Let's put her in sport. She sound crazy in sport mode. I don't know if you can. She sound crazy in sport. She sound like, woo. So the plans for today, really, I gotta get a wash. That's probably gonna be the first thing. Let me take it out of sport while I'm just cruising. I gotta get a wash. That's the first thing. The second thing, I'm probably just gonna do a little cruise video, and kind of just talk about how I feel for the first 340 miles of having a car. My do's and don'ts. Well, my pros and cons, I should. Oh, that thing's so pressure. And I'm still figuring out the car, you know, coming from a V6 to a V8 is a decent jump, to be honest with you. I'm sorry, I'm moving the camera. I'm trying to adjust it. Oh yeah, we getting right now. It's kind of it's a big difference. Like, you feel the difference in the horsepower, you feel the difference in the exhaust. That joint just crazy for real. And I'm loving every bit of it. I got it Tuesday. And, you know, the dealership gave me a full tank. I had to fill up. I had to fill up Thursday, so I did a little bit of driving. So as far as the gas right now, while I'm just cruising, I've been cruising lately. I'm getting 16.6 miles per gallon. But I know once I drive, I break the engine in and I drive like I want to drive, I know it's gonna go down to like 12 miles per gallon. But it takes like $60 to $70 to fill up, so I'm probably gonna have to fill up probably 1.5 times a week. 1 to 2 times a week, I'm definitely gonna have to fill up. Like, it might be 2 times out the week, but no more than 2. But it's not. I'm probably not gonna go on the full tank. I probably ain't gonna get away with one fill up through a full week. I might have to fill up like at the end of the first week, if y'all get what I'm trying to say. But that joint kind of smooth for real. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm seeing right now. So this joint kind of smooth. Let me put it in manual mode real quick. So what I like about it is, like, if you want to hear that crackling popping sound, you want to kind of downshift when it gets to like in between 1 and 2. Let me put it in sport. You probably can't really hear it too good, but I'm gonna have to demonstrate when I'm going at a slower speed, because it don't really crackle as much as it usually crackle when I'm going high speed, when I downshift. Yeah, but she sound crazy for real. But I like to stay at a high RPM, so the lower the RPM, the less gas you're using. And with these Chargers, you want to get the maximum efficiency gas that you want to get while having fun. So you gotta play that thing smart for real. You gotta play that thing smart. Like, let me turn off sport mode while I'm just cruising, because I don't need the smart mode. And you know, when I stop the car, I'm gonna show y'all the settings and stuff. But I mean, it's a pretty fire car. This joint, when I first got it, I was excited, bro. I'm like, this shit lit, bro. Like, one thing I don't like about it is that's probably the only thing. Like, it didn't come with the super track pack. Like, I gotta get the other, I guess, to unlock the track pack, I gotta get something else. But everything else is pretty smooth. Like, I got it pretty much brand new, so I mean, I really have no complaints. I know gas gonna start killing me sooner or later, but I mean, that's the point of having these cars, is you want to have fun. You're not really worried about the gas. So if you worry about gas, I probably wouldn't get a V8 Dodge, because especially nothing over a RT. Anything over RT, gas is. Hey, I know somebody got a track pack. They put $100 in their car every day. I said a track pack, a track hawk. They spend $100 in gas a day. Like, that's kind of crazy. They get like 7 to 8 miles per gallon, that's insane. I know I couldn't. I got a good job and everything, but I'm not living that good. maybe I keep doing this YouTube stuff, I might be able to, you know, get in that track pack demon red eye Hellcat world, you know. Did I say track pack again? Scat pack, Trackhawk, and red eye Hellcat and demon. Yeah, so it's either I'm gonna pick y'all up when I'm about to wash the car, or I'm gonna pick y'all up when I park the car to show y'all the settings. I'm about to enjoy this cruise, play with the paddle shifters a little bit, you know, get active. I'm about to get active a little bit. But before I let y'all go, I do want to pass this flatbed right here. I'm gonna put it in sport mode, so I'm gonna put it in. I'm not gonna put it in oh, she sounds so beautiful. I'm not gonna put it in manual while I got one hand. I mean, I can tap the shifter, you know, with one hand, because I'm really like that, respectfully. But this just a cool vlog right here. This just a cool vlog. This the first vlog. I ain't gonna go crazy. Do I still got that paper on my bumper? I think I do. I don't think I took it off. So for one, we're about to pull over. We're about to pull over, because I think I just noticed that I still got it back there. Let me handle my business. Yo, that's kind of crazy, because that Mustang that was behind me probably like, yo, what was that, bro? Like, why did he just have that piece of paper over his license plate? Which is, to be honest with you, to be fair, I really wouldn't have had an answer. And yes, I'm reversing out. Oh my God. Listen to the, hold up. I know I gotta put my seatbelt on. That joint's so crazy, like, oh my God, bro. That joint sounds so wild. It's just so much. Let me put my seatbelt on. That joint sounds so good, like, I'm in love, bro. I'm in love. This is the most funnest decision I've made to get this RT. It's just, you know, enough power while not really breaking your pockets too much while having fun. Woo! I'm loving it. Like, I'm just chilling. I'm living life right now. I ain't really got too many responsibilities. I ain't got no kids or anything. I'm just living to work. So I'm like, what can I do? You know, I work 6-7 days a week. What can I do to have fun? Because I can't really take vacations because of my job and stuff. So what can I do to have fun outside of work? So I'm like, I'm just gonna get a car that I can, you know, my off days or before work, after work, I can just go climb in my car and have a good time. So that was my decision on why I really got this car, just to plug in that void of not having fun because of my work life. So let me hit it one time for y'all. Let me crack the window a little bit. Y'all might can hear. Nah, that's a lot of wind coming in. That's probably going. That joint, oh my God, she sounds so good. Oh my God. Hey, I'm so in love, bro. I can't even cap. Ooh, the downshift sound. Ooh. She sounds so aggressive. I like it, baby. I like it. But yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all up when we get to the car wash or when I park the car so we can go through our settings. Alright, so boom ski. I got the let me just hit that. I got the Sirius XM radio. You go to settings, you can do the display. I literally just changed this theme. I didn't know what really theme to put. I didn't want nothing plain. They don't got an RT theme. That's what the theme that came with when I first got it. Then they got that one, and I'm pretty sure that's the same one. Yep. Then they got that. The Hellcat logo. They got some gears. Let's see, okay. Then they got the Demon logo. I definitely don't got a Demon. They got the little Challenger one. Black screen. I think this is the black screen too. Yep. Another Hellcat logo. I might just keep this one. I mean, I know I got an RT, but they don't really got no RT jumps for real. So we're gonna vibe out on this one. I'm not trying to up badge or nothing. I love my RT, respectfully. But yeah, it's a lot of things you can do with this. Like, I really rock with this jump for real. Safety assistance, get the park sense, rear park volume for the sound when it beeps. Door locks, you can do it. Like, this joint really smooth for real. This joint really smooth. Got the climate. Got all the apps right here. App manager. Let's go to performance control. Not that, performance pages. So we go to performance pages. I ain't really do no launch controls or no real 0 to 60. I never cracked 100 yet because I'm still trying to, you know, break in the motor. So top speed was 93. That was just a casual day of driving. I wasn't even really paying attention. I was just driving. 6.7 on the 60 to 0, which is, I mean, that's just a regular takeoff. I think it usually get like 5.6 or something, if I'm not mistaken. That's all the reaction times, 1/8 speed. I never seen this page. That's kind of nice. Got the G-forces of the car, gauges, engine gauges, the dyno. The dyno kind of fire for real, because you can see it got the torque and the horsepower. I kind of rock with that. So I think I'm about to yeah, as you see, 16.6 top speed 93. Top speed 93. I think I'm gonna go wash the car. I gotta go pick up some stuff. Then I'll pick y'all back up. I don't think I'm gonna run into a cop. Hopefully I don't run into a cop on this road. But we'll see. That shit sound crazy. Oh my God, I'm so in love with this motherfucker right here, bro. We'll see. I'm gonna try to open her ass up on this road right here. Oh, it's a car right there. We'll do a short pull. Yeah, this car was in the way. I was gonna run that thing too, no bap. Before I wrap this vid up, we're gonna try to do a 0 to 60 miles on the timer. Let's see if we can get a run real quick. Put it in sport. Without spinning tires. Oh, 6.6 was not good. I spun tires a little bit. Yeah, 6.6 is, I know I can get to like 5.8. But I think I'm gonna wrap it up for this video. Well, I'm excited. I'm excited for this content, man. I'm excited for this content. We ready to go crazy. Comment down what mods you want to see. Comment some ideas. I got some ideas in the back of my head, so maybe we got the same ideas, you know. Big V8 type shit now, you know. No more V6. We getting it in, respectfully. We getting it in now. Hope y'all hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. Shit, let's go crazy.